Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad milk, only way. Start by washing and chopping 2 cups of mixed fruit into small, bite-sized pieces and set them in a chilled bowl. Measure 1 cup of milk and a tablespoon of sweetener, then taste as you go. Keep the fruit pieces roughly the same size to make every spoonful pleasant and easy to sip. Warm, conversational tip. Combine milk and sweetener in a separate bowl and whisk until smooth, then pour over the chopped fruit and stir gently to coat evenly. Let the mixture rest 5 to 10 minutes so flavors mingle without turning the fruit mushy. For a chilled treat, briefly refrigerate or add a few ice cubes in a sealed container to cool quickly without diluting too much. Keep service friendly and simple. Spoon fruit salad milk into clear glasses and garnish with mint or a sprinkle of cinnamon for aroma. Offer straws and small spoons so people can sip and scoop at once. If transporting, use airtight jars and keep chilled until serving time. Always remind guests to stir gently before eating to redistribute settled milk and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.